welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a new way of doing my nails. So you guys have seen various videos of mine doing different styles of nails, different kind of techniques, and this one is a new TikTok technique that I saw. I kind of just stumbled across it from my For You page, and I thought I would give it a try just because it seemed pretty easy. So pretty much these nails you can find on Shein, and they look like this. Pretty much these I did get 3 just because I wanted to try different styles and different looks just in case it did work, but I did not want to spend like too much money trying it out because I don't know how it works bases. I typically like to do my nails like this video I showed you right here, but I did want to try this just in case it was easier and faster. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you guys how I go about it. So enough rambling now, let's just get this video started. To start off, I'm going to take my lamp from BEETLES, and I'm also going to use the BEETLES glue that it comes with in the kit, and I'm going to make sure I have a clear on hand. This is by Born Pretty, and I also want to have a rose oil just because I like to apply this on my cuticle area after I'm done. So I'm going to take the nail glue and apply it to each of the fake nails. So I'm going to just apply like a dot size amount, and then I'm going to make sure that it's kind of going to be not too much but not too little, and I'm going to repeat this on each of my fingers and each of the nails and then cure. Pretty much I'm going to repeat this process on each of my nails and continue gluing and then curing each of my nails, and just making sure that I'm applying enough glue. Once I finish gluing all of my nails, this is how they look like. They're pretty long, but you can totally leave them like this if you prefer longer nails. Now, they are kind of hard to type for me personally, so I had to cut them down a little bit, but if not, this is how they look like, and they look so beautiful, and they look pretty good if I must say so. So I'm going to take my nail clippers and just begin to cut each of my nails to the length that I think would be more suitable for typing. So almost like a good amount, I would say, just because I want them shorter. And this is how they look like compared to the normal length. I'm going to file them as well, and this is how they look like after I'm filed. And I'm going to apply the clear gel on all of my nails. I will be applying 2 coats for the clear gel just to make sure it's nice and coated, and this is how they look like. I really like how they turned out. I'll show you guys how they look like in natural lighting. Alright, so this is how my nails look like in the end after I finished, and I absolutely loved them. I loved how they looked on my nails, and I felt like it looked really summer vibes as well. I have no complaints thus far. They look super cute, but I'll check in a few weeks or a week with an update. This is future me. In conclusion of doing my nails, I did want to share with you guys my thoughts on this. So I did want to mention that I lost about 3 nails within a span of the week. I don't know what happened, but I were to take a guess, I think it's because it's really hard to kind of make sure that the nail fits very well, and they're kind of on the stiffer side, so because of that they're not very flexible to be shaped to your nails. As well as I've heard that because they do have a little bit of color, they're not clear, the glue doesn't adhere and stay very well, so that also could have been a factor, but I just ended up super gluing the ones that fell off, and it worked very well. Like a hit or miss. Some days I could say that I would love this technique, and some days they probably wouldn't work for me just because I like them for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll keep you guys updated if there's anything else.